and welcome to Zashtu Zato Kurat, which is a offshoot of the Graduate Report, but one that is specifically dedicated to the Serbian language. I know what you're thinking, and you're right to be thinking it. But let's move on. A lot of people ask me, Danny, why do you swear so much in Serbian? The Serbian language isn't all about swearing. The people in Serbia aren't all about swearing. Why do you swear so much? Why do you always depict the Serbians as swearing so much? Why? Shut your fucking mouth! Tell you why! Because it's hilarious!
Because I find it hilarious!
Allow me to share with you some of the new Serbian curses I've come across. So let us begin. Jebem ti krljavu mater u oko. That roughly translates to, I'll fuck your bloody mother in her eye. I know. There's a lot more. Do stay tuned. Jebem ti mrtav matru.
Jebem ti mrtav materi.
I fuck your dead mother.
Jeboti ocu u glavu.
Fuck your father in his head.
Ženu ti jebem bez tebe.
I'll fuck your wife without you. Which I find kind of funny because that would presume that fucking your wife with you is not a swear word. Isn't that funny?
Krvuv ti sliku ti poserem. Deto, a slušaš?
I take a shit on your bloody picture. Child, do you understand? It gets bad, man. It gets bad before it gets better. I mean, look at all these. I mean, Jesus. I mean, it just goes on and on. I mean, are you seeing this?
Oh my, I haven't even read them all, but every time I read one, it's like hilarious. It's like, may you turn into a frog, a stork eat you, and shit you from 500 meters high.
May the dog throw up in the middle of your dining room while you have guests. It's hilarious, dude. That's why. I do it because it's funny. That's it. The only reason. I'm not making a political statement or some fucking sociological... It's just funny to me, that's all. So, I hope that clears it up a bit. Alright, I'll see you guys tomorrow with another re-edit of your mouth.